Salmon's rubber, right? Look right in the rubber.
What was the official call down there?
Right lane by 3 cars.
3 cars, right lane.
3 cars.
3 cars.
Yeah, it's clean.
Huh?
Clean.
Gates just clean.
Gate slept like a baby.
Damn.
I raised Gates again. I knew I had to get out on him because I felt like he had a little bit more mile an hour than us. I treed him and never seen him. I knew that was going to be a close one. I knew he was there, but whoever got out the hole was going to win that race, and I got out the hole first. Ooh, we needed that. I didn't leave early, did I?
No, they checked.
Did they?
Yeah. They said it was the same way.
The other way.
Yeah.
And I guessed. He guessed too there. You know what I'm saying? But when it comes on.
He left way ahead of me for sure. Thought I was gonna run him down. He won the race. He beat me on the tree like I beat him on the tree the other night, and we'll keep moving on. We'll see what happens. We got tune-ups for the hot rod, and we're gonna work on it and get it going and keep moving up.
I know
I should have see it, man.
Huh?
Should have see it.